how to install Telegram app. So if you want to install Telegram app on your device, then first of all you need to check the internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find a problem while installing. And after checking that, now you can open up your app store or your Play Store and then go for the search bar, which is on the upper side, and search for Telegram. And after searching, here you will have the application. You can simply tap on install, and it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download. After downloading, you will have an open option on the right side. You can simply tap on that open, and from here you can simply tap on start messaging, and you have to tap on continue and then allow. And here you have to enter your country code and then your phone number, and you can log into your account and you can use your Telegram application. So that's it. That's how you download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.